Masha and Peppa Pig had been planning their snowy farm adventure for weeks. Masha, the mischievous little girl known for her lively antics, couldn't wait to show Peppa Pig, the friendly pink pig, all the fun that could be had in the snow. Together, they dreamed of building snowmen taller than themselves and sliding down the biggest icy hills. The day of the adventure finally arrived, bringing with it sparkling snowflakes that blanketed the farm in a pristine layer of white. Masha bundled up in her warm scarf, mittens, and boots, while Peppa donned a tiny red winter hat and matching scarf. With uncontainable excitement, the two set off across the farm, leaving footprints and giggles in their wake. Their first task was to construct the grandest snowman ever. Masha and Peppa gathered snow in heaps, rolling it around until it formed perfect spheres. Laughter filled the air as they debated whether the snowman should have a carrot nose or, as Peppa suggested, a shiny apple nose instead. Finally, they settled on a carrot nose, topped with a hat made from twigs and leaves. Stepping back, they admired their work, a towering snowman with a broad smile that mirrored their own. Next, they ventured to the hills of the farm, shimmering and begging to be slid down. Masha, ever daring, took the lead, zipping down on her bright red sled, Peppa squealing with delight as she followed on a sled of her own decorated with little pig illustrations. After a few more rounds of sliding, Masha and Peppa decided to partake in a snowball fight. As afternoon turned to dusk, the farm was aglow with the warm hues of sunset reflecting off the snow. Masha and Peppa, weary from their adventure but brimming with happiness, headed back indoors filled with memories of their playful day.